So this is Haslim Tech TV. So welcome back to this channel. In this video you will learn how you can create a coin list using BYDFI exchange. So coin list is a new feature introducing exclusive offering to introduced by BYDFI exchange. Just like we have playlists for listening to music, video, playlist for watching videos. Now BYDFI introduced coin list. So in order to create a coin list, please use my referral code in the description of this video to sign up, please. So the first step, you need to click on the upper right corner of the app, enter the personal center like this. Okay, the second step is find to create a list in the center like this. And the center, click OK. Enter the coin name and description. Like me, let me put a governance token. So choose the whether or not to make your coin list in public. So now let me enter my description of these coins. And now choose whether not to make your coins in public. So the last one, create a list. Click on the icon of coin list to add avatar of the background. Let me add. Then click the avatar to add background image of your coin list. So let me use this avatar indicating the governance token. So you can edit the coin list below. Let me take a sushi. It is a governance token. And let me take a Uniswap. It is governance token again. So after your coin has been listed, so you need to get approved. It will be under review till you get approved from BYDFI relevant team. You will receive a notification from BYDFI apps, and users can search your coin and list discover. So that is, before you go there's another things you like to know about BYDFI exchange. So BYDFI exchange also all this data has been provided from CoinCap market. It is very accurate, 100%. So the second one you like to know about BYDFI. So BYDFI offers 600 million shiba airdrop. So for you to get this airdrop list, use my referral link in the description of this video to sign off. Then locate the BYDFI point center or airdrop center. So this airdrop, you have chance to win iPhone 14 Pro Max. So I would like you all member of this YouTube channel to participate on it. So please recruit your own members in order to get free BYDFI point. As soon as you get a point, you will get a chance to be part of prize pool of 600 million Shiba Inu. Like my own, I have been recruited about 1,506 members, but some people join this activity. Yes, this is a place you can swap your BYDFI coins to real cash, perpetual coupon. So the next step, there is BYDFI also offer a copy trading. So if you are not a professional in trading, so you can use copy trading to get more profit, but please use a risk management, because cryptocurrency trading is always not stable. Anything may happen. So also the last, BYDFI also offer the 100% leverage, 200% leverage of perpetual trading. So you can use this opportunity to participate in the future trading with higher leverage other than others exchange. Also, you can create a sub account for your team member to trade without hesitation. So let me try to create so that you can see. Let me name it I hope you are with me. So now you can transfer your fund from spot trading or from others perpetual or future trading account to your sub account. Also, the benefit of this, you can open 2 contracts with the same coin, long and short. Let me try to trade so that you can see. BYDFI exchange is a very profitable exchange. It is safe place to trade and get a more bull in a market. Have you seen? So as I tell you, please use risk management, and this video is not strictly a financial advice. So anyone intend to use this video, please use it at your own risk, and no one in this channel will have responsibility for your any losses. Please use trading analysis, copy trading firms. As you can see, I get more and more dollars. I am printing dollars right now. Please put your eyes on my profit. Have you seen it? So also BYDFI exchange, it will help you to reverse your position from long to short. So let me take a profit. I have been closed my market. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you have been learned something from this video, please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any comment suggestion, please leave it in the comment section. In case you are new to this exchange, please use my referral code to sign up in order to get welcome bonus of up to 1 million naira welcome bonus.